Hey everyone, welcome back to where we dive deep into the world of automobiles. Today we're going to explore the much anticipated 2025 BMW lineup. From groundbreaking technology to stunning design, BMW continues to push the boundaries of what a luxury vehicle can be. So buckle up as we take you through everything you need to know about the 2025 BMW models. Let's start with the overall vision BMW has for 2025. The company is embracing a future that's not only electric but also connected and sustainable. By 2025, BMW aims to have a significant portion of its lineup electrified, with hybrid and fully electric options available across all series. This move aligns with the global push toward reducing emissions and promoting eco-friendly driving. Now, let's dive into the specifics of some key models. We'll start with the BMW 3 Series, which has long been a benchmark for luxury sedans. The 2025 model is expected to feature updated styling cues, including a more aggressive front fascia and sleeker LED headlights. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, the 2025 3 Series is rumored to come with an improved hybrid powertrain that boosts performance while enhancing efficiency. With the introduction of BMW's newer drive technology, drivers can expect quicker acceleration and a smoother ride. Plus, we might see an increase in electric-only range, making daily commutes much more feasible for those looking to go green. Next up, let's talk about the BMW X5, the brand's popular luxury SUV. The 2025 X5 is expected to incorporate a new, more aerodynamic design, which will not only enhance its sporty appearance but also improve fuel efficiency. Inside, the cabin is set to be more luxurious than ever, with high-quality materials and advanced tech features. The highlight will likely be an upgraded infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with smartphones and offers voice-activated controls. Expect features like enhanced navigation, real-time traffic updates, and even AI-driven suggestions for nearby points of interest. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the BMW i4, the electric vehicle that's already generating buzz. The 2025 i4 is anticipated to receive significant upgrades, including enhanced battery technology for longer range and faster charging capabilities. Imagine a car that can charge from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. The performance stats are equally impressive. With dual electric motors, the i4 is expected to deliver instant torque, providing a thrilling driving experience that is characteristic of BMW. Plus, the integration of sustainable materials in the interior aligns with BMW's commitment to environmental responsibility. Speaking of sustainability, the 2025 BMW lineup is expected to feature more eco-friendly materials. This includes everything from recycled plastics to vegan leather options. BMW is also investing in renewable energy sources for its manufacturing plants, further solidifying its commitment to a sustainable future. Now, let's talk tech. The 2025 models are expected to be packed with cutting-edge technology. BMW's iDrive system will see significant upgrades, with a more intuitive interface and improved connectivity. Expect features like augmented reality navigation, which overlays directions onto a live video feed of the road ahead. Moreover, advanced driver assistance systems will be enhanced, making driving safer and more enjoyable. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automated parking are likely to be standard across the lineup. Moving on to performance, BMW is renowned for its driving dynamics, and the 2025 models will be no different. The brand is working on refining its chassis technology to offer a more engaging driving experience, even in electric models. You can expect precise steering and a well-balanced ride, ensuring that the joy of driving remains at the forefront. Let's not forget about the sporty M models. The 2025 BMW M3 and M4 are set to continue the tradition of high-performance vehicles. With tweaks to their engines and suspension setups, these cars will not only be faster but also more agile. The M division is expected to incorporate lightweight materials to enhance performance while maintaining comfort. As we look ahead, BMW is also making strides in autonomous driving technology. By 2025, we may see advancements that allow for Level 3 automation, meaning the vehicle could handle most driving tasks under certain conditions. This could revolutionize the driving experience, providing convenience without sacrificing the thrill of being behind the wheel. Now, let's talk about the design philosophy for the 2025 models. BMW is embracing a more modern aesthetic while staying true to its heritage. Expect bolder lines, a more pronounced kidney grille, and a sporty stance across the lineup. The interiors will continue to blend luxury with functionality, featuring customizable ambient lighting and intuitive layouts. As we wrap up our look at the 2025 BMW lineup, let's consider the broader impact of these advancements. BMW is not just focusing on performance and luxury, it's also committed to making a positive impact on the environment and society. With initiatives aimed at reducing carbon footprints and increasing community engagement, BMW is positioning itself as a leader in the automotive industry. Thanks for joining us today on this deep dive into the 2025 BMW lineup. If you're as excited as we are about these upcoming models, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to your channel name for more content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the new BMWs in the comments below. Which model are you most excited about? Until next time, keep driving, and we'll see you in the next video.